I deleted my Instagram and my TikTok. Jordan, what are you doing? I'm taking my sister to the airport and randomly she's like, I need to paint my toenails in my car. I've got shadows. That's how bright it is. It's like the sun. It's giving southern girl. Yeah. What's up, vlog? Welcome back to my channel. Look at this. Oh shit. Hold on. Look at this new look I got. This isn't actually my look, so I just did an audition. Whoa, do you hear all these birds? And the look they wanted me to go for was like a free spirit, like don't really care, out in the wilderness, you know what I'm saying? Tripping over my ex-girlfriend. Did it get, okay, from here up, tell me if it gave. That. It's currently Monday, February 13th. I am in the process of cleaning my entire room. There's a cat to sleep on my bed, as always. You know, homeboy doesn't ever go anywhere without me. He literally looks like he can't see. This is the current state of my room. Mess, mess, piano that I still can't play, computer, mess, mess, and more mess. Here's the thing. Oh my God, there's so many airplanes. Oh my God. I feel like I started this vlog with very chaotic energy and that's how I'm feeling. That's how, you know, that's what we're on. I was actually gonna repaint my room today. So I live in an apartment and the color of these walls are just very much giving like, it's just very much giving like a urine color, and it's not really the most ideal thing to like have in a room. I also have no decorations on my wall. I have nothing. Actually, can you guys help me? I am horrible at decorating. I'm horrible at all that. I just am very minimalist. I don't like to have a lot of things and I don't like clutter. So if I start putting things on my wall, it starts to look like very suffocating. Do you know what I mean? I'm gonna paint the wall white-ish. Not full white, because I feel like that is just gonna give like a little bit too crazy. It might make me a little bit insane, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna go a little bit off-white. But I also, at the same time, I hate having stuff hung over my bed because I got this weird fear that it's just gonna fall and crush me in my sleep. So you guys have any suggestions for something soft that I can put above my bed? You know, that'll just make it cozier without giving Final Destination. That's the vibe I'm looking for. I'm gonna be honest, guys, I have no plan for this paint job other than the fact that I want white. I don't know what type of paint there is. I don't know how this works. Also, I literally have the dustiest outfit on ever. I still have my hair like this. There's a lot going on right now. This is what it looks like from here up. I have these dusty sweatpants on, and then I got, this is my fit of the day, just so you guys know. If you've been subscribed to my channel since the beginning, you guys know I go outside looking busted 90% of the time. It's just the vibes, you know. You can't really be bothered to do it. You know what I'm saying? It's just too much work. I don't care. Like, I don't care. I don't care. Whoever sees me is gonna see me. Whoever's not gonna see me is not supposed to see me. But it's what's on the inside that matters, guys. Never forget it. Did y'all know there was gonna be 100 different shades of white? Why didn't y'all tell me that beforehand? I went like the color Frost because it was close to white, but it wasn't completely fully pure white. I just want white because it just looks cleaner. Right now I got that egg yellow yolk color, urine yolk. It's giving banana, it's giving, I forgot to clean the white. Do you know what I'm saying? It's just not giving what I want to get. I asked the guy, I was like, what do people normally get? He's like, well, they get the eggshell, which is like kind of glossy, I guess, or whatever. I don't know what he was talking about, but he sold me on the paint that is Scuff and Defense, which is $10 more than the regular paint because he said it's easier to clean. It's like, say less, because whenever I move out of my apartment one day, I have to paint it back to that banana yellow fire hydrant color that's in my room now. And then I got this kit. I was sitting there looking because I was gonna individually purchase them, and then I realized that is a lot. I didn't know what I'm doing, so I was like, let me just get the kit. It already has everything included. Don't gotta do anything from there. And then I secured some of the blue tape that I see them use in HGTV where they line their ceiling and their those things, the floorboard. No, is that a floorboard? Those things that are on the floor. Do you know what I'm talking about? We are just gonna hope for the best. It's very much giving like this is gonna be an L, but we're not gonna come in with that energy. We're gonna go in with the energy that this is gonna be a W, and I'm gonna have a nice, great white room after this. Yep, cool. According to the very minimal memory I have of the home improvement channel that I haven't seen in approximately 10 years, I think the very first step to painting a room, oh my god, there's a lot going on right now, taping the edges, do you know what I'm saying? So I don't get the color on the things that I don't want to get the color on. The inside of my closet is also like this yellow color. I really hate this color so much. It's so annoying, but it's awkward. You can see the reflection. It's yellow on the inside, but like that's a lot of work to paint the inside. So should I just paint it to where it closes and just keep my closet closed the whole time? That's a decision I'm gonna have to make in a second, really. I think I'm gonna start by taping up here, and then I also need to tape the little white boards at the bottom, but they got dust on them. And I remember clearly from the home improvement channel that I haven't seen in 10 years that I'm pretty sure that I need to wash that before I start painting, or else it's gonna be like paint mixed with dust. Oh, there's just so much. And on my window frame right here, look at this. This is also yellow, but it's like, why would I? That's a lot of work to paint that. Do you know what I mean? I also need to kick my cat out of here because paint is not healthy for the chat. But while I'm taping, he can just hang around, I guess. You know what I just decided after doing one strip of tape is that the color I got is so close to the freaking white door and the white whatever that I don't really need to tape those. You know what I'm saying? Like if a little paint goes on, it's not really gonna, you're not really gonna notice. The only thing I probably should paint is like the vents and the mirror. So I'm just gonna save myself loads of time. And when I get to those areas, I'm just gonna be really meticulous. You know what I mean? After a very brief dance party, I've decided that I'm just gonna start painting. I'm just gonna start painting because my attention span, it's not gonna work if I try to tape all these walls. So we're just gonna go for gold. Shit.
3 hours later.
So I just began, and I can still see the yellow under the white. If I have to do 2 white paint jobs, that's not gonna happen. I'm just gonna have to have white with the yellow undertone because there's no way. Now that I'm beginning, I'm like, I think I just realized how long this is gonna take. Ain't no way. All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we think? Is it giving more space? Is it opening up the room at all? I regret everything. Everything. Because the thing is, oh, you know what though? It actually looks so much better behind me instead of that yellowness. It just is kind of low-key giving insane asylum, which is why I'm like, what can I do? I need some suggestions. My friend said I should get some plants and throw them in here. I'm finished! Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god. This might be the best idea I've ever had. It looks so much better than that yellow color I had. Oh my god. Period. 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 Purr. It actually feels so much better in here, and now I feel like it's just so much brighter. I feel like before I really couldn't film videos at night because it's just so dark. Even with all the lights, it just wasn't giving, you know what I'm saying? But now I've got shadows. That's how bright it is. It's like the sun. Yeah. Yeah. I have to move my bed. Okay, so I don't really know how long it takes paint to dry. I assume I'm not gonna sleep in here for the next 48 hours. By the time it's over, I'm gonna be in Texas by then, living my best life. I think I'm gonna get some plants, although I can't get real plants because I'm scared of bugs, so I feel like I'm gonna have to get some fake plants, but I don't really know. And I want some wall art, but like I said before, I'm scared of the like heavy stuff because if it falls on me in my sleep, if there's an earthquake and I wake up with a dent on my forehead, I'm gonna be upset. Let me know you guys' thoughts, what you can come up with, and I'm gonna just be living in my new white space, baby. Yeah, period. Oh, my sister's calling me. Oh, oh, and oh. Jordan, what are you doing?
coming to you live right now at 8 a.m. because I'm taking my sister to the airport. And randomly, she's like, I need to paint my toenails in my car on the way to the airport.
I'm running late, and then you gotta do what you gotta do. She's rude, first of all. I would let her paint her toes.
No, why are you doing this to me?
Get the camera off my toes.
I'm exposing you to the
I
world.
will put them out the window if you just let me do it.
You're gonna paint your, first of all, imagine you do like 1 foot and drop the nail polish.
That's better than no foot.
Oh my god, my car's literally gonna smell like nail polish for
You're
days.
being dramatic.
Bruh.
Now just drive smooth.
I'm gonna slam on the brakes. Literally, I don't know what she's expecting because it's not gonna dry. She's gonna have to put her sneakers back on at the airport, and she's gonna take her toes out, and they're gonna be so busted.
Bruh, please just let this happen. Please.
So crusty. Oh Jesus.
I don't make good decisions.
Bruh, it doesn't even look good.
It's better than it was. It's
Look
better
at
than
the
it was.
toe.
It's better.
Move your left finger over.
It's better than it was. It's better than it was, though.
Ew.
Bro, I don't care. I don't care.
Name a better duo. So why do we do this dance? Are we moving too slow? Cause you need reassurance. Don't conflate issues. Why you always jump to?
I just went on a hike and then I came to Trader Joe's to get this spicy lentil wrap because this is literally my favorite thing ever. So I got the spicy lentil wrap and then also mango strips because I'm still in my weird like mango strip phase that I'm going in. Also, I have a tickle in my throat. Ever since I did that paint job, I just had a tickle in my throat. Oh, it's hard. Oh, It has like a funky taste to it. I deleted my Instagram and my TikTok. I'm leaving tonight. I have to go home and pack because I'm going to Texas at like literally midnight. Or so who has flights that late? But I'm going to Texas at midnight and I decided that I'm going to delete my TikTok and my Instagram until I get back. And I'm going to be gone for a week. I was on my hike and I was trying to find some zen in my life. Man, social media really just makes your brain go like 100 miles per hour every freaking second. 100 miles per hour every freaking second. Does that make sense? It doesn't make sense. But this is what I'm saying. Like, it's making me not make sense. And I think it's the scrolling because I can make YouTube videos and I can talk and be fine as long as I don't scroll on YouTube. But to post a TikTok and an Instagram, I feel like it's inevitable that you scroll. YouTube, I could just upload, you know, dip, MIA, you know, what's going on, you don't really know. Anyways, moral of the story, I'm deleting TikTok and Instagram. You guys should too for a week, and we're just gonna see how I feel after that. See if I get some zen in my life. This thing is really the best. I eat this almost every single day. The way this guy just walked by and looked at me and laughed. Leave me alone, sir, I'm busy. I'm literally parked in the front spot at the Trader Joe's, so people are just walking by looking at me eating like a fool. Alright guys, I'm ready. I actually am not ready, but everything that I threw on the floor, this is essentially all I'm taking with me. I actually don't have anything in this backpack right now. I just put it on so I can film it and like edit this video before I leave. The only thing I'm taking with me to Texas is just a whole bunch of underwear and some workout clothes. I don't really plan on going outside while I'm there. If you don't know, I'm from Dallas. I'm just going to visit my mom. The only reason I'm taking a pair of jeans and another pair of shoes is because I'm gonna go meet with the agency while I'm there so I can get some work in Dallas. But we're gonna see how that goes, you never know. Yeah, I just am taking a couple pairs of things. I'm gonna work out while I'm there. I'm also gonna go visit my grandma in Oklahoma. It's giving Southern girl. It's giving Southern belle in LA. Ew. Literally look at the lighting on my room. It already looks so much better and so much brighter. And also I've moved my bed to the middle because I spent an hour doing like feng shui research and it said you have to have space on both sides of the bed. So I put my bed in the middle and it's already giving she's grown, you know, other than like, I look real childish with this backpack on right now. You know what I'm saying? 25 in LA. Gotta do something to... Alright.
right, now that I'm done making myself cringe, words of wisdom for the day. This is what I'm gonna leave you guys with. It's Vita V! Vita V! It's French, it means live your life. Vita V, y'all! Vita V! Oh god, goodbye, I can't.